Hello and welcome to the part 4 of my build process. This video contains moderate amount of gentle tapping. The engine bay color has this subtle stamped bulge. To imitate this, first I'm cutting out the approximate outline. The goal here is to avoid sharp corners, so I am cutting almost horizontally. Placing an additional layer of paper will make the surface even smoother. The last step is to imitate the placement of retaining bolts. At the very end of the hull there is a part that looks as if it was inset and extruded a bit. Now I can place the engine bay lid. It appears to me that the sole purpose of these details at the rear of the T-80 is to serve as an attachment surface for the hooks for the additional fuel drums. From the photos of real vehicles it looks like these fuel drum hooks are not always present. The rear exhaust is just a box, but there are also these half teardrop shaped details on both sides of it. As usual, knife has to be sharp enough for this operation. Any surface visible through meshes should be painted flat black. The rear exhaust mesh is attached very carefully. As usual, application of glue is minimal. An excessive amount can ruin it. Before placing the air intake meshes, I need to attach some other small details on the engine deck. And now I'm almost done with the fenders. First I attach small armor plates in front of the toolboxes on both sides. The shape of the inner surface is adjusted on the spot. Then I just make an identical shape. Many Soviet MBTs have additional armor plate at the front that was added in 1980s. These armor plates have a specific shape designed to accommodate already installed towing hooks and attachment points for minesweeping equipment. Sideskirts are pretty straightforward. I just need to measure some paper strips, cut them and install piece by piece. These short paper bars represent the attachment points for the minesweeping equipment. Front ends of the fenders already go with the attachment surfaces for the mudguards. And mudguards are also adjusted at the spot. Driver's hatch is just a flat piece of paper, but I also wanted to try to make bevels where needed. For the gun mantlet cover I am using the softest paper available. Then I just need to make it as wrinkled as possible, attach it where it belongs and cut away excessive material. Making the shape of the infrared searchlight, on the other hand, is much less fun. Making circles in this scale is already tedious enough, and this one also has 4 tabs crosswise. This T-shaped bracket is attached very gently. After all, it is imperative that the cylinder remains unharmed. The finished infrared searchlight can now be installed on its respective place. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next part.